What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Cooorey YouTube channel. We are here with the R32 GTR, one of our previous giveaways. If you saw one of our latest videos, you might have seen that we had to go pick the car up from the transport company depot after something or someone did something to the motor, blew it up.
Go watch the last video.
Go watch the last video if you haven't seen it. Did transport blow up our R32 GTR? Don't know, but Corey's been cranking on this thing. He had the motor out, as you probably saw. We diagnosed it and it just basically had a blown head gasket between two cylinders.
But it also got very hot at some point, which has happened at the depot, because their head was warped. Got it machined and the bloke called me up and said, look, it's still hard. Like, he hardness tested it and whatnot. Yeah, it had a decent twist in it.
Yeah, so obviously something has happened for it to lift the head, blow the gasket, warp their head. I don't think that happens just driving it on and off a tow truck to ship it to Tasmania. So yeah, you can make up your own minds there, but Cooorey's done a good job of cleaning everything up. New timing belt, new head gasket, deck surfaces, new gaskets on everything. This thing should be pretty Mickey Mouse now. The winner of this car is actually coming down this Saturday in a few days' time. So we're gonna be hand delivering it to him. In the meantime, Corey's gonna finish buttoning it up. He's having a great time by the sounds of things, putting this thing back together. He's really enjoying himself. But yeah, Corey's smashing it out. He's doing a good job. Well done, Cooorey. Everyone give Cooorey a clap. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not already. And make sure you like this video. Thanks.
But
Cooorey.
it's all in, apart from the strut brace, because in case I need to pull anything off if it doesn't run.
In case you gotta pull the motor back out.
Yeah. So,
Fire me up! Oh yeah.
Yes, I'm in designer. If I see her, then I got her, bro. Yes, I am a dog with these diamonds on my collar, and that's why I got your girl head banging, so they calling me Nirvana. No, I'm not her daddy, but she calling me.
Sounds pain. What a beast! What a beast!
Good sound of SR20.
This, mate, it doesn't even come close to an SR20. It's not even in the same league as an SR20. Alright, so we're down at the factory. We're here on the day of the winner. He's finally going to rock up and he's going to see his car for the first time. Funnily enough, we just drew the other two GTRs. We've had a winner and they've chosen which car they're going to take. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, because it's my favourite. He chose my favourite, so he chose the Salva, which I think you would. It's got the long nose crank. It's got a little bit less kilometres and stuff like that. It's a tiny bit cleaner, but that means we're going to build up this gunmetal grey one to a 500 kilowatt GTR and crack that 500. Unlike the 480 kilowatt GTR, we're going to go to the 500 kilowatt GTR. 500 kilowatt gunmetal, that's okay. And then now, currently live, we have the 260Z. Giveaway is coming out our ass now. Something a bit different to what we normally do. We've got a classic, so you got to look after those classic JDM lovers. The 260Z, I think, is one of those cars that every man could have in his garage and just sit there and look at it. They're not the fastest thing, but they're JDM history, son. Anyway, let's see if we can get a good reaction. We had a bit of a funny one. The winner of this car is probably one of the worst reactions we've ever had. I don't think he knew what to say on the phone, so we'll drill him a little bit and see if we can get a reaction out of him this time. But you just won a 480 kilowatt GTR, son. G up! I think he's almost here, so we'll go get his reaction.
Where's he coming from?
He's coming from Tasmania. So that's right. If you don't know the story, logistics company blew up the motor. Blew up in head gasket. Same thing. A bit of a follow-up on that. They're not really coming to the party on wanting to do anything. We're not liable. Shut your ass, you're not liable. I get if I get that camera, I can see old mate there. You wanna come take it for a you wanna take it for a quick squeeze? Boom! Head gasket be going, coolant everywhere. They even sent photos with coolant in the engine, but it's pretty hard to get out of that one, so we'll be taking that further. And this is a warning. If you're not gonna pass up, look how many views we're getting. I'm gonna be throwing your name everywhere. Don't use this logistics company. So this is your final warning. But we will chase it up, but she's all fixed, ready for the winner. So that's the most important thing. And yeah, let's see his reactions. All right, so apparently he's here. He got to the airport and I don't know, he said he must be Ubering here or something. I think he's gonna drive the car. He said he's 5 minutes. Should be rocking up now. Oh, he's coming out. He's coming. Oh, dude. He's coming. Here he is. Billy boy. He walked all the way from Tasmania. G'day, mate.
Hey, Billy.
Okay. So here we have Tassie winner. First reaction.
Pretty nice.
Come on, son. G up. You told me. You told me on the phone. Oh, sorry, my chat react. I'm gonna G up this time. G up.
I was very nervous and whatnot.
You just want a GTR, 480 kilowatt. What are you gonna do with it?
Sunday drive it
Yeah. Sunday drive.
and keep it forever.
Keep it forever. That's the target. So have you had any quick cars before?
Oh, nothing like this.
Oh, have a look, have a look. Have a look. Have a walk around, son. Chat reaction.
Straight to the motor.
Straight to the motor. Straight to the head gasket. So we took it for a quick squid yesterday. It was clean. Cooorey cleaned it, but it's wet and been raining. That was dirty. I'll make sure the next winter, if you have a better reaction, I'll clean your car personally. So you got the Garrett Turbski. You got some big boy cans. Apparently the rock cover had to be machined. The cams are so big, or clearance or something. The 272s. E85, 6 boost Manny. It's got a radio. It's got a front mount cooler. It's got injectors. It's got a twin plate clutch. Tell us a bit about what you do in Tasmania.
I'm an accessory fitter at TJM.
What do you do on your weekends?
Look after my daughter.
Win cars and go pick it up.
Win cars.
Have you had anything with this much power?
No, I've only had GTSs. GTS-Ts.
Bit of a step up from the old RB20.
Yeah.
Straight to the 2.6 with 480 kilowatt. Getting the starter up. Out of gear.
Cooorey, good at
Cooorey, can't even tighten belts. Probably got coolant on the belt from popping egg out. Titanium straight pipe, thanks to Pulse Titanium. Shout out. Pro tip, gotta let it warm up before you limiter bash it. So she's all warmed up, tray plate on. You ready to pump a head gasket? Yeah. Let's do it, let's see how little reaction we can get. First try, let's do it. Crammed in the GTR.
Yeah. So much room in this thing.
I stalled it.
Hey! You get that? Rev her up, son. Sunday drive. Goes hard, huh?
I don't want to lose my license before I get home.
You have to. No, drop her a gear, give her a little pull. revs to 9k, remember?
Yeah, I know. Is there any proof?
Little tease. We got a smile. This could be a collab, Adam. In a second, could be a collab with Highway Patrol TV show as well. This is your chance, son. I feel full. Comes on strong, huh? Still had another 4,000 RPM left in it, I reckon. Probably. Alright, pretty much used the whole tank of fuel, so we filled her up. And now shove over, son, get in that passenger seat. And I'll show you how she really opens up. No reaction? That's how you're supposed to drive. Oh, there you go. So, what do you think, son?
It's pretty quick.
Yeah, real excited about it. Yeah. So we're getting some smiles now. We're getting somewhere. But yeah, massive congrats, mate. This thing is now yours, so hope you enjoy it and have it forever. If I see it up for sale, I'll be real angry. I'll be coming to Tasmania. No. Congrats, son, and enjoy it. And I'm sure we'll see more of it down in Tasmania. And all your friends will be jealous, no doubt. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Shut Murray. Every car, every RV, and Cooorey touch. Now he's excited as soon as he leaves. He was telling me on the phone and in between when the camera was off, well, yeah, I don't know how to react. His friend was there too, and he said even if his missus asked him to marry her, he'd still have the same reaction. So you get people like that, especially in front of the camera. But he tells me he's very stoked on it, as you would be. So you still got to be happy for him. But give it to him anyway in the comments, because don't care. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm glad we could sort that all out. It was definitely dragged out for longer than expected, but we got there in the end. So thanks to Cooorey for the bloody belt squeal, for getting it all done, and to perfection. So like that, subscribe, and buy some merch, and I'll see you next time. Ooh. See you next time.